it's Kina Knisley with Team K Squared of Keller Williams, and we are here today at Mokoliʻi, also known as Chinaman's Hat, for American Dream Hawaii. Today is going to be great. We are going to visit tropical farms and learn about their amazing history. And then we're headed to an upcoming listing that is in mid-renovations. So, if you're ready, let's go. Here we are at Tropical Farms at the very end of Kaneohe, and I have Cozy with me today to give me a little bit of history about the amazing Tropical Farms. So first of all, I want you to tell me about these statues.
Okay, so these statues, which is made out of monkey pod, is a statue of my parents, Harry and Mary Lake. That was carved in 2010 to commemorate 10 years here at Kailua, Kaneohe. Tropical Farms started by my sister and my brother-in-law, Steve and Chrissy Patey, in 1988, and it's a 25-acre orchard. They were given this orchard to Sound Nuts. At that time, I was actually working for a tour company, and this being the only route going around the island, I let my coworkers know that if they seen someone on the side of the road selling macadamia nuts, please stop and by, because that is my sister. And that's really how this business started. It took off from there. Cracked nuts on the side of the road, selling everything by hand. Today we have been flourishing. We average approximately 25,000 at least customers yearly. We are totally blessed by the tour companies continuing to follow us for these last 30 years.
It is an amazing place. I've been coming here for years with my children and now my grandchildren. And also there's been some movies that have been filmed here. Yes. What movies have they
Various
filmed here?
Different movies, from 51st Days, Jumanji 1, 2, 3, King Kong, Jurassic Park 1 to 6. I mean, we've had a lot of movies filmed here, and it's still being filmed here. Magnum, Hawaii Five-0, you know, all of those, which is commonly seen amongst the grounds. We also feature 100% pure Kona coffee, and that you can also get a sample of while you're here.
It's delicious.
Which also includes 7 different flavors of macadamia nuts, which is sold only here. Everything that we grow and we make and we sell here. We really strongly say just come and visit us. Yes. Because it will be just a wonderful thing. We like to share our aloha with all the people that come to the Hawaiian Islands.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, oh, thank you. Oh my God, thank you. You know.
Hey, here we are in Kailua, an amazing coconut grove. Coconut Grove has such a fascinating history. In 1906, a couple of farmers landed. They planted 130,000 coconut trees over 320 acres. That lasted until 1916, when the business fell apart. After World War II, some developers came in and said, hey, let's start building houses. And that's when the real estate boom in Kailua started. And now we have Coconut Grove. So we are here at a rehab in Coconut Grove. It is incredible, and I want to show you this rehab in progress. So come on in. Right now, we are in the 2-bedroom, 2-bath. You can see it's getting a brand new kitchen. It also has a studio and a 4-2 house in the back. So right now, we're gonna go take a look at the 4-bedroom, 2-bath next door. So here we are in what's going to be the 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It has an incredible kitchen, and the accents are just amazing. But this will be great for a family. So rehabbing is not easy. You gotta have a great team behind you. Great agents, great contractors, and stamina. So definitely is not an easy job, but so worth it and such a benefit to our community. So here we are in the studio. But this is going to be a fabulous space that can be rented out, or if you have visitors coming from the mainland. You have a 2-2, a 4-2, and a studio. It should be on the market in a couple of months, and available for you to purchase. Hey, thanks for being with us as we visited Tropical Farms, that amazing MacNut farm, and that listing in Kailua. It will be on the market in a couple of months, and it can be your American dream.